Good morning, my dear students. So today we will do our next exercise number 14.4. So this is the last exercise of this chapter. The question is, the following distribution gives the daily income of 50 workers of a factory. So you can see here the distribution table is given. So the daily income is given in rupees, and the second column is of number of workers. So there are 12 workers having income between 100 to 120 rupees. 14 workers having income between 120 to 140 rupees. 8 workers having income between 140 to 160, and 6 workers having income between 160 to 180, and the 10 workers having income between 180 to 200 rupees. So we have to find what convert the distribution above to a less than type. You have to convert this distribution table in less than type, and less than type probability frequency distribution, and draw its ogive. You also draw its ogive. So first, draw a distribution table in which we have find the value for less than type. So you can see here the first column is of daily income, second is of number of workers, and the third is cumulative frequency. So the first, you can see here the interval is between 100 to 120. 100 to 120. So in less than type, we will take which limit? Lower limit or upper limit? We will take upper limit. Less than type में हम हमेशा upper limit use करते हैं, ठीक है? So you will first write here less than, upper limit is 120. Less than 120. How many workers? There are 12 workers. So you will write in cumulative frequency. मतलब जिन वर्कर्स की सैलरी 120 रुपीज से कम है वो कितने वर्कर्स हैं? 12 वर्कर्स. नेक्स्ट इज लेस देन 140. अब जिन वर्कर्स की सैलरी इनकम डेली इनकम 140 रुपीज से कम है वो कितने वर्कर्स होंगे? एक तो उसमें ये भी इंक्लूड होंगे और ये भी होंगे 14 के. सो यू विल डू हियर व्हाट? 12 प्लस 14 इट इज 26. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? क्योंकि जो 140 से लेस है उसमें ये वाले नहीं आएंगे जिनकी इनकम 120 से लेस है. सो 120 से लेस वाले 12 वर्कर्स हैं और 140 से लेस वाले 14 वर्कर्स हैं. So 12 plus 14 is 26. This you will write in cumulative frequency column. Clear? Next is less than 160. So the how many workers are there having income less than 160? You will again add this 8 to this 26. So 8 plus 26 34. क्योंकि जिनकी अब इनकम 160 से लेस होगी उसमें ये तीनों इंक्लूड होंगे, ये वाले भी इंक्लूड होंगे, ये वाले भी और ये वाले. ठीक है? तो 12 plus 14 26, 26 plus 8 is 34. It means there are total 34 workers having income less than rupees 160. Alright. Next is less than 180. अब जिनकी 180 से लेस है, अब 34 में 6 को फिर से प्लस करो क्योंकि अभी 180 से लेस वाले सभी इंक्लूड होंगे. सो इट इज 34 plus 6 is 40. Now the last is less than 200. So how many workers are there? All the total 50 workers having income less than rupee 200. So 40 plus 10 is 50. मतलब 50 के 50 वर्कर्स उन सभी की जो डेली इनकम है वो 200 रुपीज से लेस है. ठीक है? सो दिस इज नंबर ऑफ वर्कर्स. यू राइट हियर द फ्रीक्वेंसी. द फर्स्ट इज 12, सेकंड इज 14, नेक्स्ट वन इज 8, नेक्स्ट इज 6 एंड द लास्ट इज 10. ऑलराइट, आप चेक भी कर सकते हो. फर्स्ट इज 12, 12 plus 14 26, 26 plus 8 34, 34 plus 6 40, 40 plus 10 is 50. Alright. Now next one, we will draw its ogive. अब हम इसका less than ogive का ग्राफ प्लॉट करेंगे. Clear? So you will represent this daily income on the horizontal axis. Daily income on the horizontal axis, and the number of workers you will represent on the vertical axis, or you can say on वाई एक्सिस, ठीक है। डेली इनकम को आप रिप्रेजेंट करोगे एक्स एक्सिस पे और नंबर ऑफ वर्कर्स को आप रिप्रेजेंट करोगे ऑन वाई एक्सिस। नाउ वी विल मेक द इंटरवल सेट। So the interval is 120 and the cumulative is 12. Next is 140 and the corresponding cumulative is 26. Next interval is 160, cumulative is 34. Next is 180, cumulative is 40, and the last is 250. Now we will plot the points on this graph. So on x-axis you will take from 120, ठीक है। जो ओरिजिन का पॉइंट है जहां पर x-axis और y-axis दोनों मीट करते हैं, दैट इज 0, बट यू विल स्टार्ट हियर फ्रॉम 120, ठीक है। 120, then you will make interval of 20 because the class size is here 20 in this distribution table. Then you will make 120, next is 140, 160, 180, 200 and so on. And on y-axis you will make an interval of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. You will also make the interval of 10, 10. You can write it 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. It's your choice. The first interval is point is 120 and 12. It means 120 is what? 120 is daily income and 12 workers. So 120 and 12 workers. 11, 12. So plot your point. Next is 140 and 26. 140 workers. No, sorry, 140 income and 26 workers. How many children? You will make this point. Next is 160 and 34. 160 and 34. Next is 180, 40. Next is 250. 50 is here. 200. Alright, students. So these are the 5 points. Now I will join these points. So this is the curve for less than 2. Clear, students? So this is your question number first. Now let us see question number second. During the medical checkup of 35 students of a class, their weights were recorded as follows. So you can see here this is distribution table in which the weight for 35 students is given. The first column is of weight and the second column is of number of students. So there are 0 students having weight less than 38 kg. मतलब किसी भी बच्चे का weight, स्टूडेंट का weight 38 kg से लेस नहीं है. 3 students having weight less than 40 kg. 5 student weight having less than 42 kg, 9 student weight less than 44, 14 student having weight less than 46 kg, 28 students less than 48, 22 having less than 50 and 35 students less than 52 kg. So we have to find, draw a less than type OG for the given data. So you can see here less than type is given in this distribution table. So we have to make its OG in the following graph. And hence obtain the median weight from the graph and verify the result by using the formula. मतलब आप ग्राफ से भी मीडियन वेट जो आएगा 35 स्टूडेंट्स का वो चेक करोगे और उसको वेरीफाई करोगे यूजिंग फॉर्मूला. सो वी नो दैट द फॉर्मूला फॉर मीडियन इज L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. So we also verify the median by using this formula also. So first make another distribution table in which you will make a column for class interval, second column for frequency, and the third is for cumulative frequency. So you can see here the first is less than 38. So you will make this first class interval as it is, less than 38, or you can write below 38. It's the same thing. ठीक है, जो फर्स्ट क्लास इंटरवल में जो वैल्यू आएगी उसको आप एज इट इज लिख दो, less than 38, or you can write below 38. So there are how many students? 0. So the frequency is 0 here. Next is less than 40. First is less than 38, the second is less than 40. It means the interval is between 38 and 40. So right there 38 and 40. So between 38 and 40 kg, there are how many students? Less than 40 kg there are 3 students, and less than 38 kg there are 0 students. 0 मतलब कोई भी नहीं. So you will subtract 3 minus 0. It is 3. मतलब जिनका वेट 38 से 40 kg के बिटवीन है वो कितने स्टूडेंट्स हैं? 3 स्टूडेंट्स. Next is less than 42 kg, and the above interval is less than 40. So the interval is between 40 and 42. So how many students are there? Less than 42 there are total 5 students. But less than 40 there are 3 students. So in between 40 and 42, how many students are left? You will subtract this 3 from total 5. So 5 minus 3 is 2. 42 से जिनका वेट कम है वो 5 स्टूडेंट है, और जिनका वेट 40 से कम है वो 3 स्टूडेंट्स हैं. मतलब उसके बीच में जो आएंगे स्टूडेंट्स वो कितने होंगे? 5 minus 3, that is 2. Alright. Next interval is 42 to 44. 42 to 44. How many students? 9 minus 5, 4. 44 to 46. 44 to 46. 14 minus 9 is 5. Next is 46 to 48. 28 minus 14 is 14. Next is 48 to 50. 48 to 50. 32 minus 28 is 4 students only. Next is 50 to 52. So 50 to 52 is 35 minus 32. Only 3 students. Clear students? Now we will find the value for cumulative frequency also. So the first is 0, 0 plus 3, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 5, 14, 14 plus 14, 28, 28 plus 4, 32, 32 plus 3, 35. And total number of students are also 35. Alright. Now first find the median using this formula. Then we will make the less than Kojève graph. So n is what? N is the lower limit for middle class. So the total value for n is 35. So n by 2 is how much? 17.5. So 17.5 exists in which community? In this one, 28. So this is our median class. In this median class, lower limit is 46. Plus n by 2 is how much? 17.5. Minus CF. CF is cumulative frequency preceding the middle class. जो मतलब उससे पिछली वैल्यू होगी मिडिल क्लास से, that is 14. F is frequency for middle class, 14 into H. H is the class size. So class size is how much? 2. Now it is 46 plus 17.5 minus 14. It is 3.5. 3.5 into 2 over 14. So 2 7 are 14, and it is approximately 0.5. So 46 plus 0.5 is 46.5 kg. It means 46.5 kg is the median weight of a student. Alright. Now we will plot the graph for less than Kojève. So first make the intervals. The first interval is 38, 0. I will write here 38, 0. Second one is 43. Next is 42, 5. Next is 44, 9. Next is 46, 14. Next is 48, 28. Next is 50, 32. Next is 52 and 35. So these are the following points for this less than Kojève graph. We always take the cumulative frequency in this graph. ठीक है, लेस देन ओजीव और मोर देन ओजीव के लिए आप हमेशा कम्युलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी की ही वैल्यू लोगे, ठीक है। सो फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज 38.0, so 38.0 is on the x axis, जो 38.0 पॉइंट है वो x axis के ऊपर ही लाई करेगा। नेक्स्ट इज 43, this is 43, next is 42.5, next is 44 and how much 9, next is 46.14, next is 48 and 28, next is 50 and 22, and last point is 52 and 35. Clear, students? So these are the following points. Now you will join these points. Now the median weight is 46.5. So 46.5 is coming here. 47 is here. 46.5. Is coming almost. Please students, so this is 46.5. 46.5 kg. Alright, so 46.5 kg is the median weight for the students. Alright, this is your question number 2. Now let's see, this is the last question number 3 of exercise 14.4. The following table gives production yield per hectare of wheat of 100 farms of a village. So production is given in kilogram per hectare. 50 to 55 is for how many farms? 2 farms. Production between 55 to 60 kg per hectare is in 8 farms. 60 to 65 in 12 farms. 65 to 70 in 24 farms. 70 to 75 in 38 farms, and 75 to 80 in 16 farms. So the data is given for total 100 farms of a village. So change the distribution to a more than type distribution. More than type मतलब आप इस distribution table को more than type की form में convert करो, and also draw its ogive, और इसका आप फिर ogive draw करो. Clear? So first make a table in which white have first production, in which we will convert in more than type. So first you will see that interval is 50 to 55. So for more than type we will use which limit? Lower limit. Clear students? Less than type में हम use करते हैं upper limit, और more than type में use करोगे आप lower limit. So the lower limit is here 50. So you write more than or equal to 50. So more than or equal to 50. There are how many farms? Total 100 farms. मतलब जिनकी प्रोडक्शन 50 या 50 से ज़्यादा है वो टोटल 100 फार्म्स है, ठीक है। सो यू विल राइट हियर 100 इन कम्युलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी, नॉट इन फ्रीक्वेंसी। नेक्स्ट, मोर देन और इक्वल टू 55, मोर देन और इक्वल टू 55। अब जिनकी प्रोडक्शन 55 या 55 से ज़्यादा है वो कितने होंगे? यू विल सबट्रैक्ट दिस 2 फ्रॉम 100, इट इज 98। अब आप क्या करोगे? टोटल 100 में से जिनकी 55 से कम है उसको सबट्रैक्ट कर दो, मतलब 2 थे फॉर्म्स, अब उस 2 को आप टोटल 100 में से सबट्रैक्ट करोगे। 100 माइनस 2 इज 98। ऑलराइट, नेक्स्ट, प्रोडक्शन फ्रॉम मोर देन और इक्वल टू 60, मोर देन और इक्वल टू 60, 60 या 60 से ज़्यादा। अब जो बाकी रहेंगे वो कितने होंगे? यू विल सबट्रैक्ट दिस 8 फ्रॉम 98, इट इज 90। क्योंकि अब हम फाइंड कर रहे हैं जिनकी प्रोडक्शन 60 या 60 से ज़्यादा है, ठीक है। चाहे तो आप इन सभी को प्लस कर दो या 98 में से इसको माइनस कर दो 8 को, क्लियर। सो इट इज 90. Now production more than or equal to 65. It is how much? You will subtract this 12 from how much? 90. It is 78. Clear? Next, more than or equal to 70. अब जिनकी प्रोडक्शन 70 या 70 से ज़्यादा है वो कितने होंगे? 78 minus 24. It is 4. 7 minus 2, 54. Alright. Now production more than or equal to 75. अब जिनकी 75 या 75 से ज़्यादा है वो कितने होंगे? It is 54 minus 38, 60. ठीक है, वो 16 फॉर्म्स ही होंगे। अब चेक कर लो, लास्ट में 16 नहीं, क्योंकि इसमें 16 फॉर्म्स क्या है जिनकी प्रोडक्शन 75 या 80 के इन बिटवीन है। तो आप लिख सकते हो 75 और मोर देन 75. It is 60. All right, students. Now the frequencies, first two, second frequency is 8, third one is 12, 24, next 38, and the last is 60. Now the following intervals are 50, 100. Second is 55, 98. Next is 60 and 90. Next is 65 and 78. Next interval is 70 and 54. And the last is 75 and 60. So these are the following 6 points. Now we plot the graph for more than OG. So the first is 50, 100. So you see here, so production is on the horizontal axis and the number of arms is on the vertical axis. So make interval of 5, 5 on this x-axis and make interval of 10, 10 on the y-axis. So the first point is 50 and 100. So 50 and 100. Coming here. Next is 55, 98. Next is 60, 90. Next is 65 and 78. Next is 70, 54. And the last is 75 and 60. Alright, these are the following points. Now join these points. Alright students, so this is the curve for more than OG. Clear? So this is the last question number 3rd of your exercise 14.4. So in this way we will complete our chapter number 14. Thank you.